Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I wanted to show this pretty significant milestone in the Réseau Express Métropolitain, the REM construction. Here we have the gantry, Marie, that's what they actually call it. It has a name, and it's actually built all the sections across Des Sources Road. Now this is important because this is the West Island leg of the REM that is going to be headed towards Saint-Anne-de-Bellevue. And here's the pylons for the station. So that's going to be built pretty much next. So I just wanted to show this quickly. There we go. So it won't be too long before they've actually start the track work in the middle there, and the extra wide part of the platforms for the station. And this is a section, and this gantry pops in these sections and they cement them together. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.